This is Narendra and this is Ambesh. Today we are going to represent Gymnasium student study project. I am studying degree BSc MPCS second year in Kakatiya Government College, Hanukonda. The title of the project is Synthesis of Titanium Dioxide Nanoparticles by Solgen Method. Nanoparticles are invisible to the human eye since these small particles are within a range of 1 to 100 nanometers. Nanoparticles are known as the building blocks of many materials and their physical and chemical properties are affected depending on how they are arranged. When larger particles are broken down by synthetic or natural ways, they form nanoparticles. For example, natural nanoparticles are formed from volcanic eruptions, ocean breakers and river currents. On other hand, synthetic nanoparticles are reproduced in a lab using different types of methods and techniques. There are many types of nanoparticles that have contributed greatly to the society. Biological nanoparticles are used for drug delivery and biosensor in the medical field. We can take for example nanoprobes and nanospheres, which are biological markers made out of gold nanoparticles. Ultrafine titanium dioxide is used in housing and construction as an additive to paints, plastics, cements, windows, tiles and other products for its ultraviolet absorption and photocatalytic sterilizing properties. For example, in anti-fogging coatings and self-cleaning windows.
Objectives. The titanium dioxide has been used for synthesis in a range of industrial and consumer products, including paints and coatings, as well as papers, plastic and rubber, printing inks, coated fabrics, textiles, as well as cementers, floor pavings, roof materials, toothpaste, soap, water treatment agents, etc. Titanium dioxide nanoparticles have the advantage of good antibiotic activity, photos, catalyze, UV light absorption, and good biocompatibility. Hence, it is mostly applied in the waste washproof cloths, medical bandages, pharma industries, cosmetics, etc. It is inexpensive and have the low toxic.
Methodologies are adopted. The main advantage of the soil deletion is this process are the highly purity of the product and the nanoparticle size distribution and the achievement of the uniform nanostructure at low temperature. This method is commonly used to synthesize the metal nanoparticles and cost effective. Two types of materials or components are soil gel solution and gel. Bellman synthesized in 1845. Low temperature process, less energy consumption and less population. Chemical requires titanium, terephosphate, gel, acetic acid and double distilled water. Operators, vehicle magnetic stickers, pressure cylinder and platters. Mechanism. By using this mechanism, we can conclude the process.
Procedure. Take 9.8 ml of the dissolved acetic acid in a beaker. Add 4.5 ml of TDIP into it and split it generally for an hour. Add 100 ml of DDH2O in above solution. Continuous split up to 3 hours to get in a clear solution. The solution continues split for 24 hours to form in a gel and solution diet at 60 degrees Celsius to get a titanium dioxide nanopod.
Precautions. Before starting the experiment, look up the material safety data sheets for all the chemicals that will be used. All chemicals used should be regarded as irritating and toxic, avoiding inhalation. Wear gloves, laboratory coats and safety high wear at all times while in the laboratory. Clean glass water is essential for this experiment. Don't touch or taste any unknown substance. Use only a small quantity of chemicals to carry out the experiment. Don't work alone in the laboratory. While heating or dissolving chemicals, keep the mouth of the test tube away from your eyes and face. Don't throw broken glass apparatus or used filter paper in the sink. Throw them in dustbin. These are the applications for this project. And titanium dioxide nanoparticles were successfully synthesized by Solgen method. A white color titanium dioxide nanoparticles power was obtained.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good.